Hi guys! I am Mary J. Valencia, a grade 12 student from SCI College, Caloocan. And today, experiment time! Our experiment for today is the exploding and bubbling reaction of vinegar and baking soda. Here are the materials. Vinegar, baking soda, a drinking glass that serves as the container of our vinegar solution. And lastly, a bowl, where we are going to put the glass, and when an explosion happens, all the solution will go to the bowl and no messy things happens. So, all the materials are ready, so let's go! Prepare a bowl and put our drinking glass inside it. Put the vinegar inside our glass. And this is the very exciting part. Add the right amount of baking soda in the vinegar solution. As you can see, the vinegar solution is calm before, but after we put the baking soda, it started to create a bubble effect and explode like a magma in a volcano. But how it happened? The explanation behind it is they react because one is a base while the other is a acid. In our case, baking soda is a sodium bicarbonate, a base, and the vinegar is a diluted acetic acid. When vinegar and baking soda are first mixed together, hydrogen ion in the vinegar reacts with the sodium and bicarbonate ions in the baking soda. The result of this initial reaction are two new chemicals, the carbon acid and sodium acetate. That resulting for the mixture of vinegar and baking soda to rises to the top of the mixture and create a bubble effect. That's all for today. See you in our next experiment time! Thank you for watching!